Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Science. This video about beautiful dot design maxi tee style of dress with amazing design. Dot design dress is a pattern consisting of any array of large filled circles of the same size. Dots are commonly seen as on children's clothing, toys, furniture, and Central European folk art by the appear in a wide of context. The pattern really appear in formal consist and it is generally confined to more playful attire such as suit. It is likely the term originated because of popularity of the polka dance around the same time the pattern became fashionable just as many other products and fashions of the era also adopted the polka name, introduced polka dot men with irregularly sized and differently colored dots. Men has first debate in